You want to play like Messi, Neymar, or Mbappé? I'm gonna show you. Yes, you see, the rainbow flick, that's an easy trick, man. I do this every day with my eyes closed. You see Neymar? He's not a baller. I'm the real baller here. My name is Ky-mani Panka. I'm gonna show you. You see this man? This is Douglas Costa. He's not the baller you think he is. He's not even the greatest footballer in the world. You know who's the greatest footballer? I am. I'm gonna show you the advanced rainbow flick tutorial. So, this is the trick you gonna do. Yes, this is so epic. I'm trash because I miss, you see? But this is the most epic trick you can do and show your friends. Shit, I missed. So, step 1, yeah? I'm gonna show you right here. Yeah? You're gonna slave the ball. Yeah? Step 2, you're gonna flick the ball up with your right foot because you slave with the left. And then...
Oh shit. Hey, what there? Hey,
so that's the trick.
Top round dogs with me. If you don't know about me, yeah, I'm lit for the beat.
Yeah.